Hello and welcome to Regina's Novel Recipes. Today we are going to make wine because this is the season grapes are available in plenty. So here you can see the grapes available in the market. This is seedless variety. This is with the seeds and this is again green grapes and this is basically used for making juice. This is ideal for making wine. This is also known as Bangalore grapes. First thing we have to do is you have to separate the grapes from the bunch. Take it out each one and then wash it 3-4 times. Take it out like this and wash 3-4 times. After washing 3-4 times, then soak it in water with a little vinegar and turmeric powder and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that wash it again 2-3 times to remove all the pesticides and the other things on it. Now the grapes is ready for making wine. Here I have taken 1 kg of grapes. For that we need 1.5 kg of sugar and 2 liters of water which is boiled and cooled. This you have to boil nicely and then cool completely. Then 10 cloves, 5 cinnamon pieces and a wooden spatula and a china clay pot. So first we have to break the grapes. For that I am using a masher. You can do it with hand but don't use mixie. Break open all the grapes. So when I am mashing it, you can see it's not very purple color. So I am using an herb which is called Tadirappu in Malayalam. It's available in Kerala. If it is not there in your locality, you can just skip it. This is basically for giving the color. There is no smell or anything. It's only for color. Now our grapes is ready. Let's do the rest of the process. First thing what we have to do is transfer these grapes into the china clay pot slowly and carefully. Now add sugar. This is 1.5 kg of sugar. Add that into this grapes. Now add cinnamon, cloves and the coloring agent that is called Tadirappu. If it is not there, just skip it. Now add water. And stir it well. So here one thing you have to keep it in mind. This needs 21 days to mature it. So every day you have to stir it the same time. If you are stirring it in the morning, this 21 days stir it in the morning, or if you are doing it in the evening, stir it in the evening. The rest of the things I will be upload later.